Hello, Making Community. Today I'm going to share with you a book for March Madness that also celebrates neurodiversity and the way that all of our brains work differently. This is called A Head Full of Birds by Alexandra Garibald, illustrated by Sybil Delacroix. It's got kind of cool pictures about going to school. This is Nanette, a little girl with a head full of birds. Nanette mixes ham into her fruit yogurt. She can sit for hours gazing at a spider's web, even though there's no spider. She rocks back and forth, to and fro, fluttering her fingers like butterflies. At school, the kids are nasty and cruel. Not like you all. Hey, you got a brain in that skull? But Nanette doesn't listen. She looks down and mutters, skull, dull, seagull. In Nanette's class, there's a boy named Noah. One day during the lesson, he tries flying some paper planes. Bad luck. One of them lands at the teacher's feet. Noah is punished. He has to change seats. Sit in the front. Noah sits beside Nanette. He's annoyed. He pushes her out of irritation. Scritch. The sparrow she was drawing is all messed up. Oh, whispers Nanette, he won't fly anymore. But birds and flies in drawings don't fly, said Noah, getting angry. The drawing doesn't fly. The bird flies, says Nanette softly. After school, Noah sees Nanette crouching at the edge of the sidewalk. She's dropping some bright little boats into the gutter. They fill the stream with color as they float along. Noah stops, looks at her, and thinks, that's so pretty. The next day at recess, the rain is pouring down. Nanette walks into the middle of the schoolyard. Then she stands there, not moving, her palms facing the clouds. Noah's friends point at her. I don't even like to read this. She's so stupid. She's so stupid. I know we don't say that word here. Noah turns his back on them, and when he sees Nanette taking off her boots to splash in the water, he rushes out to bring her back under the shelter. Now that sounds like a McGinn student. But Nanette doesn't want to move. Look, she says. She fills her boots with the water, streaming off the roof. She hides one under her raincoat and hands the other to Noah. Quick, let's get back to class. Noah struggles to keep up with Nanette as she zigzags her way up the stairs. When Noah gets to the landing, a boy bumps into him. Splash! The boot tips over, and Noah is completely soaked. Watch where you're going, says Noah angrily. Now it's ruined. I'm sorry, Nanette, says Noah, leaving the empty boot under his chair. Don't worry, Nanette says. One's enough. She takes Noah's hand and slips a tightly folded bit of paper into his palm. Noah smiles. Then he leans over Nanette's boot to drop her little gift inside. The boat twists and twirls, dancing merrily across the water. And it's so pretty. This is Nanette, and this is Noah. Nanette is friends with Noah. Noah is friends with Nanette. Together, they look after the birds that nest in their heads. Thank you for sharing this story with me. Have a great day.